Hey guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing. If you're new here, I do luxury unboxings as well as a lot of fashion hauls, a little bit of lifestyle, but really my goal here is to help share my experience and tips on how to live a beautiful, good life. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe, join my tribe, and let's get into the unboxing. So as a disclaimer, I definitely want to be sensitive to the situation that's going on right now, and you guys will know that I actually didn't buy this recently. I purchased this item back in, I think, November. And don't ask me why, but I never opened it. Like, I never even opened it when I left the store. I know. I am ashamed of myself. I am ashamed of myself. So when I bought this, originally it was going to be a birthday gift. So I told myself that I wouldn't open it until my birthday. And my birthday was late February. So, you know, things were kind of going on. I just wasn't in like a super celebratory mood like I normally am. So I actually didn't unbox it, and I was just in my closet recently and I saw this really pretty box. It has the holiday packaging, as y'all can see, and I was like, I should just go ahead and just unbox this on camera. Nothing super spectacular. If you guys are familiar with the holiday collection, then you can probably guess what this is. But yeah, I still worked hard for this. I still deserved it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So again, here is the pretty holiday packaging. If you guys are luxury lovers, I'm sure you have seen this. Okay, so I actually bought this November 11th. That is crazy. Y'all, I'm special. All right, so here's the box. It, like, unboxing Louis Vuitton items to me just never gets old. I don't know about y'all, but it never gets old for me. I know what it is. I haven't seen this in forever. So it's a little bitty teeny item. And I got the holiday collection mini pochettes in the damier bin. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see this okay, but this is what the pochette looks like. It has the little Vivian with her little Corvette, the Louis Vuitton bags in the back. I am absolutely obsessed with the whole brown and pink. And then it's got this cute little tag. And then it actually has a red interior. Getting that helped me complete basically a trifecta. So a trifecta is when you have 3 of the same thing. So I have this and basically all the prints, not every single print because there are, you know, a lot of special edition items out there. But basically I now have the mini pochette in the damier azure. I have it in the original monogram, and now I have it in the damier bin. So of course this is like a special collection, but if I didn't want that part showing, I could always just wear it on this side. So I was looking for something in the holiday collection, and when I saw this, I just knew it was perfect. This is actually going to be a lot more carefree because it's got a painted tab, so it's not the traditional vachetta, and there's no vachetta anywhere on here. So outside of me just wanting to make sure that this doesn't rub off, I am pretty much free to use this however. So I'm probably going to use it as like a little mini wallet. So like if I go out, if I'm just running to the store or something, just grab this. If you are into Louis Vuitton or luxury, I do have a lot of luxury related content. As you can see in the background, I do have some other Louis Vuitton bags. So I will link a playlist below if you want to binge watch that content. Thanks again for stopping by. As always, remember to be good to yourself, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye guys.